You've optimized your content, built links, but something is still off and your website doesn't rank the way you expected? Well, broken links, indexing errors, and other hidden technical SEO issues can be silently killing your performance. What's the fix? A deep technical SEO audit. In this video, we'll cover how to set up and run an SEO audit. And stick around for a bonus tip on prioritizing fixes so you don't waste time on things that don't actually move the needle. Let's jump in. You can audit your website in a few different ways. Let's quickly go over your options here. If you have a small website, you can check its sitemap and robots text file and analyze indexing. But let's be real, this gets overwhelming quite fast, especially for those larger websites. Local Search Console is a great starting point for identifying indexing issues, redirect errors, and soft 404s. But it has two major limitations. First, it doesn't detect deeper technical issues like duplicate content or orphan pages. Second, it only reports problems. It doesn't help prioritize them. To get a full technical SEO health check, an automated tool like SEO Ranking is the most efficient way to go. It scans your entire website, detects high-impact issues, and prioritizes fixes in just a few clicks. You can launch the check manually or set up an automated audit to find and fix issues quite quickly. Here's how to set up an automated audit with SEO Ranking. First things first, decide how often you want the audit to run. You can schedule it to run weekly or monthly on a specific day and time that works best for you. Next, pick the pages you want the tool to crawl. You've got several options here, which include all pages starting from the home page, all subdomain pages, all pages specified in the XML sitemap. Then, set up some rules for the crawl. You can choose whether the bot should follow or ignore instructions from your site's robots text file, no index, or no follow tags. And if you need to skip certain sections or pages, you can easily deactivate them. By default, SEO Ranking uses its own bot, but there are over 13 other bots that you can choose from if needed. And here's a pro tip. If your website relies on JavaScript to load content, enable JavaScript rendering so you do not miss any hidden issues. Next up, define how deep the crawl should actually go. You can set up limits on the number of pages, server requests, and redirects. Now, choose which version of SEO Ranking's website audit you want to use. I recommend going with version 2.0 as it's packed with improvements like an updated list of checks, cleaner layout, and a better weighting for different issues. You can also customize specific audit parameters like the title and meta description length, maximum page size, minimum word count, etc. Finally, decide which issues the audit should track. You can enable or disable separate issues or even entire categories. With that setup, SEO Ranking will handle the heavy lifting for you. But because not every issue impacts your website the same way, we've got some prioritizing work to do, don't we? While some issues can wait, others need fixing as soon as possible. And here's some of the technical issues you definitely need to check. Make sure your security certificate and protocol versions are up to date and your pages use HTTP's protocol. Verify that important pages aren't blocked by your robots text file, no index, or X robots tags, and they are returning the 200 status code. Avoid redirect chains and loops. Your sitemap should be clean. That means no 400 or 500 errors, redirects, and no index pages. All links should point to live pages, no broken or unbound links. A few more critical checks include: check the title and description tags as well as their length, watch out for duplicate content and missing H1 tags, and ensure that images have an alt attribute. HTML code must be optimized and CWV metrics must be within the limits. Also, check that your JavaScript and CSS files are compressed and return the 200 status code. And make sure that your viewport meta tag isn't missing or contains the device with value. Alright, so you've run an audit, found and fixed a bunch of common top issues, but there's still a lot on your plate. What's next? Here's a bonus tip on what else you should be on the lookout for. Classify every issue as critical, major or minor, and assign priority to each of them. This is where categorizing errors in website audit can help, from past check marks marked with a green check mark where you're all good to critical issues marked with a red cross. You can even filter by priority to pull up the most urgent issues first. An issue affecting your entire website is far more critical than a problem on just a few pages. So, click on the number next to an issue to see the exact pages that are affected by it. Pages that sell the most, drive the most traffic to your site, or inform your clients about your brand are essential. Prioritize them first. You can check the pages report and apply filters to analyze specific pages and issues. Some fixes require more work than others. Prioritize quick wins, that is, issues that are easy to fix but have a noticeable impact. Now, it's your turn. Set up your technical SEO audit with SEO ranking and start fixing issues before they start impacting your rankings. Link in the description. For more SEO insights, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you in the next video.